how to remove Copilot from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button and then open up apps and features or installed apps on Windows 11. Now in this window you want to search for Copilot and you should find Copilot and Microsoft Copilot. And first you will need to start by deleting the Microsoft 365 Copilot by clicking on uninstall button and then uninstall and wait for it to finish uninstalling. And then you will need to do the same for the Copilot. Click on uninstall and then uninstall. And once you're done, you can close out of this window. Now you will need to open up the registry editor by right clicking on the start button and then click on run and type regedit, press enter, and it should open up the registry editor. Now you want to navigate to computer, local machine, and then software, and then scroll down and click on policies. And then you want to expand Microsoft and then click on Windows folder. Now you want to right click on the Windows folder and then choose new and then key and simply type Microsoft Windows Copilot in the folder name like this, and it should add it as an entry under the Windows folder. Now you want to select the newly created folder, which is Windows Copilot. Right click on this empty space on the right, click new and then dword 32-bit value. And then you want to call this new file or entry turn off Windows Copilot like this with capital letters for every word like that. And then you will need to double click on this file and then change the value from 0 to 1 and make sure it's set to hexadecimal. Press OK. And then all you need to do is close your registry and restart your computer. And Microsoft Copilot should be completely removed and disabled. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.